Zelle does not offer standalone business accounts. It's integrated into participating U.S. banks' apps for eligible small business checking or savings accounts. Not all banks support Zelle for business. For example, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, U.S., Bank Do. Others may not. There are no direct Zelle fees, but bank-specific fees and limits apply. Steps to set up: open or confirm an eligible small business bank account at a participating institution. Check zellepay.com/get-started for list. Log into your bank's mobile app or online banking. Navigate to pay and transfer. Send money with Zelle or search Zelle. Select Get Started or Enroll for Business. Use a different U.S. mobile number, email than your personal Zelle enrollment. Verify with the one-time code sent via text, email. Select your business account. Accept terms. Optionally, create a Zelle tag, custom handle like your business name for easy recognition.